There are a lot of modifications you can make to your LB7 Duramax, but not all of them are worth your time or money. In this article, we will be discussing the 8 best LB7 Duramax mods. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect LB7 mods for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Range Technology Active Fuel Management Disable device. Many GM vehicles come equipped with active fuel management, which allows the engine to run on 4 or 8 cylinders depending on the load. This can be great for fuel economy, but it can also create some problems. When the vehicle is in 4-cylinder mode, it can sometimes feel sluggish and the power delivery can be inconsistent. The 4-cylinder mode disable device is the perfect solution for these problems. It installs in seconds and it plugs into the diagnostic port without any tools needed. It does not reprogram the factory ECU, so there is no trace of it left behind. And best of all, it gives you full power all the time. This can be a real lifesaver when you need it most, such as towing, off-road, icy or snowy conditions, or high-speed commuting. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list. We have the Pureflow Airdog A6 SABC409 Airdog IF Pump. The Pureflow Airdog A6 SABC409 Airdog IEDF 165 4 grams 2001 to 2010 Chevy Duramax is a unique product that is perfect for Chevy Duramax owners. The Airdog is a fuel injection cleaning system that helps to improve fuel economy and engine performance. The Airdog also helps to reduce exhaust smoke and emissions. Installation is easy, and the Airdog comes with a 1-year warranty. At number 3 on our list. We have the ARP 2,304,201 head stud for Chevy Duramax 6.6 liters. If you're a diesel enthusiast, then you know that the Duramax engine is a workhorse. But even the strongest engine needs proper care and maintenance, and that's where ARP comes in. Their cylinder head stud kit is the perfect way to keep your Duramax running like a champ. It features 12-point nuts made from durable black oxide steel, and it's designed specifically for GM Duramax engines. So if you're looking for a reliable way to keep your engine in top shape, the ARP cylinder head stud kit is the perfect. At number 4 on our list. We have the Fleece Performance Engineering FPETAPSHIFTER35 tap. Looking to improve your driving experience? Check out the new Gear Vendors Overdrive for automatic transmissions. This easy-to-install unit limits upshifts, commands downshifts and helps to decrease gear hunting, all while backed by a manufacturer's warranty. Installing the Gear Vendors Overdrive is a great way to improve the performance and longevity of your vehicle, so don't wait any longer, order today. At number 5 on our list. We have the PPE 117,500 Performance Parts and Miscellaneous Accessory. Today's busy lifestyles often mean that people don't have time to cook from scratch. That's where the Instant Pot comes in. This amazing appliance makes cooking quick, easy and flexible. The Instant Pot is a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker and steamer all in one. It's simple to use, just select the cooking mode and time, and the pot does the rest. The Instant Pot is also very flexible, so you can cook a wide variety of dishes. The Instant Pot is a great option for busy families, and it's also perfect for singles or couples who want to save time in the kitchen. With the Instant Pot, there's no need to slave over a hot stove. You can cook delicious, healthy meals in a fraction of the time. The Instant Pot is available in a range of sizes, so you can choose the one that's right for your needs. The largest model has a capacity of 10 liters, so it's perfect for large families or groups. The smallest model has a capacity of 3 liters and is perfect for singles or couples. The Instant Pot is a must-have appliance for anyone who wants to make cooking quick, easy and flexible. It's perfect for busy families, singles and couples, and it's sure to make mealtime a breeze. At number 6 on our list. We have the Edge Products Insight CTS3 Touchscreen Gauge Monitor. The Edge Insight CTS3 is a digital gauge display that is used to monitor a vehicle's performance. It is the #1 preferred digital gauge monitor in the market today and is available for vehicles that are 1996 or newer and have an OBD port. The Edge Insight CTS3 is a comprehensive digital gauge display that monitors dozens of parameters and is updatable with the internet. The third generation of the Edge Insight CTS3 is faster, slimmer, smoother, and more advanced than the previous generations. It has a 5 full-color capacitive touchscreen display and an all-new high-speed processor. At number 7 on our list, we have the Fleece Performance Engineering LB7 GMO lights. This simple upgrade will allow your high beams, low beams, and fog lamps to illuminate the road ahead at the same time. The GMO lights on module is easy to install and will turn on the high beams, low beams, and fog lamps when you turn on your high beams. When the high beams are not turned on, your low beams and fog lights will function normally. Please note that the GMO lights on module has been modified so that the ground spade is no longer required for operation in any of the models that this product fits. Therefore, the ground spade has been removed from this kit. The GMO lights on module is a great way to improve your driving experience, and it's a simple installation that anyone can do. So if you're looking for a way to make your driving safer and more enjoyable, then the GMO lights on module is the perfect upgrade for you. And finally, at number 8 on our list, we have the head stud replacement kit. Looking for a way to beef up the durability of your 2001 to 2016 LB7 LLY LBZ LMMLML Chevy Duramax diesel engine? Look no further than these head studs. Made with an intuitive design and specially formulated steel alloy, these studs have incredible tensile strength compared to standard bolts. Plus, the broached stud ends deliver a straightforward design that is quick and easy to install. Get your vehicle back on the road quickly with these easy-to-install head studs. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.